putting small trees on side. The dinosaur world. Small trees on side. I'm gonna do some blue Play-Doh so we have a bigger land. I know what I should do, Daddy.
Rub it up some.
Daddy, I should put the big trees on this island and the small trees on this island.
With some dinosaurs on it?
I'm putting some dinosaurs. Daddy, I'm gonna put a T-Rex on the brown. Okay, now done. See? Pretty good, right? Getting out easily. But Daddy, we need a little help for the small feet.
Okay.
So I'm gonna help them.
Scoop.
Scoop you. There. Small feet. Got ya. Get ya, T-Rex. You get out, man. I got them out. Daddy, I'm gonna make them stand up. Daddy, he's gonna stay in for now. We gotta dig the trees out to get these guys. Got him! Got tree out. Got the other tree out. Man, these guys are really stuck. Daddy, this one, the dinosaur is gonna help this guy. The big feet are sticking in their face. Daddy, the big feet look pretty naughty, right?
Why do they look naughty?
Because they all have sharp teeth. This one looks pretty naughty because of his red eyes.
Okay.
Small feet are going to help them too. Small feet. You guys go in, T-Rex. No. But you're going in. Pick up. Daddy. Now small feet need help. So I'm gonna dig them out. Get T-Rex. Daddy. Daddy, the shark claws don't need help, but I know who's a sharp claw. T-Rex is a sharp claw. He's a sharp claw with his feet. Actually not. I know, he's a sharp claw.
So you got Daddy to open the dinosaurs? Oh, sorry.
No, I opened it. I can open it.
Do you need people for your things ever?
Throw them in the pile.
Daddy. They're laying down in the mud. Dig, dig, dig. Daddy, are all digging. And Daddy, he got stuck. Chop. Yeah. Beat you off. Time for T-Rex's turn. Skip. Daddy, the big feet are gonna need the help. Big feet. Daddy, the big feet are always on the roll. That's one of the big feet. Dad, the big feet are trying to help. Dinosaurs. Look, the dinosaurs.
Let's roll it out.
I'm gonna roll my Play-Doh out. Hey Daddy, I don't need the roller. Nope, there's not another roller. Oh, thanks, Daddy. Daddy, how do you make a circle?
Okay. Roll it up into a little ball. Here, take this. Squish it around and just roll it like that.
And then you flat it?
And then you just squish it.
This. Stegosaurus is going in. Stegosaurus is fitting itself in. Ankylosaurus is getting stuck too. T-Rex is going to get really stuck. Daddy, all the small guys are stuck in the cess. One more small guy is going to come. Daddy, we need help.
You're gonna get them out. You're gonna slice them up.
No, I'm cutting them out.
Okay. Cut them out and then use the scooper.
I'm gonna cut their sides. Sliced his pizza out. So now I'm gonna get him there. Got its pizza. Now time to get this guy. Ah, I got him. Now time to slice T-Rex's spot. T-Rex, Daddy, you can see T-Rex speaks really well because Daddy, we need a better cutter.
That's all we have though.
Oh, yeah. But Daddy, look. See, this is cutter.
Pair of scissors, yeah. You can use that.
I can. Daddy, now everyone needs to help him out.